In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage on a MetaTrader 5 account. Before we get started, make sure you already have the MetaTrader 5 app installed on your device and that you're logged in with your existing trading account. This walkthrough will focus on navigating inside the app so you can adjust your leverage by accessing the correct account settings through your broker. Once you're ready, open the MetaTrader 5 app. Give it a moment to load and you should see your main trading interface with charts, quotes, and your existing accounts. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option that allows you to manage accounts. Here, you'll want to tap on the option that says Open Account. Even though you already have an account, this is the section where MetaTrader connects to your broker's servers and lets you configure things like leverage through the broker's side. After you tap Open Account, you'll see a list or a search bar where you can select your broker. This step is important because leverage settings are always controlled by the broker, not directly by the MetaTrader app itself. Carefully find and select the broker that you're actually using. If there are multiple servers or similar names, choose the one that matches your existing account details to avoid any confusion. Once you've selected your broker, tap on Next. At this point, MetaTrader will connect to your broker's server and show you options to either log into an existing account or create a new one, depending on what your broker supports. Follow the on-screen instructions from your broker here, because this is typically where leverage is specified or adjusted. Some brokers let you change leverage by opening a new account profile with different settings. Others may allow changes from their client portal, which you then access through this same connection. After confirming your choices with the broker, tap Next again. This final Next step usually confirms your connection and applies any changes to the account profile that you selected or created. When it completes, you should see your updated account added or relisted in the MetaTrader 5 account section, now reflecting the leverage that you configured with your broker. Remember, anytime you change leverage, it affects your margin requirements and risk exposure, so always double check the settings your broker has applied. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to start trading with your updated leverage on MetaTrader 5.